Hey guys, it's Imem, and today we're going to be having a cool, fun video in which I destroy some Five Below headphones. These are the BTH Prime things, they're like $5, pretty cheap plastic things. See the padding at the top already ripped off. Yesterday I bought some new, better ones, also from Five Below, but they were $8 at Five Below. Alright. So, I've taken apart one of these before. It was the blue ones, though. So, I'm not quite sure how we're going to go about this. There's a seam there. I suppose we could just crack that open. Maybe. I don't know. Forget how I took apart the last ones. I'm gonna make sure I don't mess up any of the wires. I recently bought some 3D files from the Galactic Armory, and I'll be making the helmet. So I'm gonna take these speakers, this headset, putting it into the helmet to make it cooler. I know, yeah. So there we go. There's supposed to be screws somewhere in this. Forget where. Alright, there we go. Alright, there we have one audio plate. The screws there. And another one. Alright. Safety first, kids. Remember, don't use knives without parental supervision. The screwdrivers are fine though, unless they're electric ones. Can't use those. Alright, we have the circuit board there. Now I'll just be taking that. See, I sort of like electronics. Like playing video games. But I haven't fully learned how to solder and make wires and stuff. So that's what I'm gonna do. Except I have school, which may hinder me, but only for the 7 hours I have to attend. The rest of the time I'm free, unless I have to go to practice some sport or make videos for you, the viewer. Yeah, alright. Not quite ready to proceed with that, so let's take apart this side. Oh yeah, and for tools that you need, you just basically need a knife, a small one, and a screwdriver. And you also need one of these headphones. Ow, that kind of hurt. Meh. Also, make sure you don't cut any of the wires, because you need those. There we go. Ooh, is that the battery? Nope. There's the battery. Also, I don't think you're really supposed to do this. It's not really covered in the warranty though. And I'm a YouTuber, so I can do anything. Can go anywhere. Take a look. It's in a book. YouTube Maker. Alright, there you go. I've retracted both arms. And now we need to break this. Huh. Well, sure goes nothing. Not really. I'm just gonna snip these wires and solder them back later. So for this we'll need some scissors. Also, make sure your device is off before you do things like this. 1, 2. And just slip it through there. And then we remove the wire from this casing. Wait, we don't need to do that. We can go to like... Ah! I'm fine. Oh no, that's blood. Oh, we can't show that on YouTube. Alright kids, here's your how-to on how to make a band-aid. First we get a little strip of tissue, wrap it around the point of injury, and you put it there, and that's it. Nice. Alright. Oh shoot, that's really bleeding. Alright, I'm gonna have to end this video. I will make a part 2 of the decomposed pieces. I will show you them. Alright, goodbye.